Get him, boy. Get those fishies, boy. Get those fishies.
It's too slippery.
Get him.
He's like, I need to
get in there. Get in there.
He was in there and then he just jumped out. His tail was nice and wet.
Get in there. Get those fishies. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Spank him.
He'll go in there.
Yeah, he goes in there. I don't know why he's not wanting to go in there
If
right
he
now.
doesn't go in there, we'll just put him up in the tank.
He'll go. There he goes.
There.
Now he's on it.
There.
He's like, oh, damn it. I didn't want to have to get
You
this
have
way.
6, Mom. That little one's stupid.
Yeah, he is. He's right around him. Get him, boy.
Where'd that other one go?
It's behind him. Playing chicken. See, it's a lot harder for him to get him now that the water's a little deeper. Get him, boy. Get those fishies.
His back feet have to
One's right around his feet.
He's so stupid.
That's the retarded one. Ah, ha, ha. Is that a cat? Is that a cat? Ah. Watch out. Get him, boy. What kind of cat are you?
Oh, wow. 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 He can't even catch that one.
It's right on the bottom of his feet.
And he still doesn't.
Now there's 2 of them. This is the safest place to be where he can't even see me. It went right between his
Oh,
paws.
I got out. Oh, the little one slipped right behind him.
Oh.
He slipped right between his paws. There goes that one. Where's the little one?
Get him, fish. Ah, ah.
You got smashed. No, he's still alive. Oh, he dunked water all the way.
I still think he made me put too much water.
No, that's better this way. That way they don't, he can have more fun.
It's just like, he's like a gerbil and these are like his prey.
He's not so used to so much water yet.
There goes that little one. That little retarded one.
Some of them are really juicy.
Some of them have like a ton of red on them. Oh, the little retarded one's right over there. I'm watching that little red.
Get him, boy.
He jumped out.
Come on.
The little retarded one's still trying to get him. He's like, I'm the predator and you're the prey. Ow! He got me in the eye with his what? Okay, that was just disgusting. The piece of the water when I was talking went right into my mouth.
Like, nah, we're not scared of you. Ha ha.
Mom, I don't think your cat's like a wild kitty anymore. I don't think he went wild.
They're not scared of him no more.
Right, oh my god.
He just doesn't like that much water.
Well, he's gonna have to learn.
Get him, kitty. Get that fit
If
out.
he doesn't kill him, can we put him in the fish tank?
Yeah.
Here he comes.
He will wait patiently.
Oh, my eye!
Get him, boy. Get those fish. Get him. Come on. They're mocking you. Let's go. Jump in. Look at all those fish.
Wow. This is just pathetic. Can I help him?
No.
Because I want to, like, push them in.
How about Jinjin?
Yeah, bring her up here.
Little Jin. Maybe she'll be like, are those gerbils? Jin will probably not jump in there, but... Do you want me to spank you so you can get a head running start in there? You're shaking the water. Water.
Move your hands, Bob.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were in the way.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Put her on that corner over there on the other side. Oh, now she sees him.
She wants to go in there. She doesn't want to go in there, Mom. Don't force her to.
She's looking at him.
I don't think we should have this
What's the case in his what? He ain't going in there.
She's not.
Having nothing to do with it. Just
Fire, move your hands.
get in there. Get him, Duke.
And he walks away.
And you give up.